Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. Because this equation equals to number 0, that means we just find only complementary solutions. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Later that we need to do first derivative of yc, and we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. So we do first derivative of this one. We keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that we need to do first derivative of lambda s. You got lambda in here. Now we go to second derivative of yc, and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Now we have this equation. So I will put this one gone here and this one gone here. So we have like this. Now we need to do first derivative of e to the power of lambda s, a factorization, sorry, and we have lambda square plus 4. Now we need to find the solutions of this one. Now I will put number 4 go to the right, and we have lambda square equals to negative number 4. Now we put the square root for the both sides, and we have lambda equals to negative 2i and lambda equals to 2i. So in this situation we have y equals to yc, and now we have c number 1, that is about the constant number 1 e to the power of lambda s. Now we change lambda into negative 2i in here, and we have like this. And now we have c number 2 e to the power of 2is. So in this situation we can put like this. We have c number 1 sine 2s plus c number 2 cosine 2s. Now we have the conditions in here. So when s equals to number 0, y equals to number 0. So we put number 0 cone here, number 0 cone here, and y equal to number 0 cone here. And now we have like this. Number 2 with number 0, we have sine of number 0. And c number 2 cosine of number 0. Sine number 0, we have number 0. Cosine of number 0, we have number 1. And now we have 0 equal to c number 2. Now let's go to find first derivative of y, because we have the second conditions in here. So we do first derivative of sine 2s, that is about number 2 cosine 2s, and negative number 2 c number 2 sine 2s. Now we have this condition. That means when s equals to number 0, y equals to number 1. So I will put number 1 cone here, number 0 gone here. First derivative of y3. So that should be like this. This one we have cosine of number 0. This one we have sine of number 0. So cosine of number 0 we have number 1. Sine of number 0 we have number 0. So we have like this. And now we have c number 1 equals to 1 over 2. Now after we have c number 2 and c number 1, we can put this value go back in here. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.